Join me as I make this really cute little girl's headband for spring or Easter. I'm going to start by folding my Bowdabra bow wire in half and laying it into my Mini Bowdabra and tucking it underneath. And I have the hair bow tool here so that I can measure. First thing I'm going to do is I have 2 pieces of tulle, one with this gold glitter and then the other piece is just plain, but I like the dimensions it's going to give me. So I'm just going to scrunch that. I'm going to keep it centered and just scrunch it into my Mini Bowdabra. And I'm going to take my wand and I'm just going to push everything down. Now I'm going to take this really pretty pink ribbon, and this is my right side, so I'm going to start here and twist, and I'm going to fold it back and twist and fold it back over, and I'm keeping this at about 5 centimeters. So I'm going to keep it at 5 centimeters on this side. I'm going to twist, and I'm just going to fold it back, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, so it's probably about 4.5 centimeters, and fold this one back here, and I'm just going to scrunch everything in, take my Bowdabra wand again, and scrunch it down. Now, I've already dovetailed this end, and I want this to just come down like that. I think it'll be really pretty. Then, I'm going to come here, and this time I'm just going to make it like I'd make a regular little hair bow, and I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller. So these are about 3.5 centimeters, and I'm going to fold this back over here, and I'm actually going to clip this piece. Whoops. Okay, so I'm going to put this down in here and fold it over and tuck that in. And then I'm going to make sure that I'm even here. So I've got little over 3 centimeters on each side. I'm just going to scrunch that down in. And because this bow's pretty big for the Mini Bowdabra, I'm just going to scrunch everything in. Then I'm going to take my cute little Corker ribbon, and again, I'm going to scrunch this down into the Mini Bowdabra. I'm going to take the ends, and now I'm going to bring the ends of my bow wire through my slip knot. I'm going to hold my bow down, and I'm going to pull really, really tight while it's still in the Mini Bowdabra. I'm going to take it out. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back. Then I'm going to take my headband, and I'm going to find where my seam is, and I'm going to just bring one of the wires right on this side of the seam, and then I'm going to bring it back through right on the other side of the seam, and then I'm going to bring it up to my bow. I'm just going to tie this here. And now you have this really adorable little headband. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.